Today I'm going to install this JCW exhaust. The JCW exhaust doesn't have a cap and it only had a resonator, which in this case was deleted, so I'm actually not sure how it's going to sound. So I'm going to use these butt clamps to install them in place, and I'll drive it around for a while, and if I like how it sounds, then I'll go to a weld shop to get everything welded together. This is the stock exhaust. I need to remove this V-clamp, and then I'll support exhaust in multiple locations, and then remove the subframe, and then I'll drop this entire thing. I got the old exhaust out. I'm underneath the car, and here is one of the butt couplers, and then here is the other butt coupler. In relation to the coupler, here is that subframe trim piece. In the front there's this V-band. I believe this was a 14mm socket. And then there's the cat, and then the pipe. There's two rubber hangers there. I used a little bit of lubricant. It was like the PV Blaster lubricant. I sprayed it in, and then I used like needle nose pliers to push the rubber boot forward on the lower ones, and then it finally came out. Both sides slipped out. In the back, I used a 13mm socket and loosened those two bolts, and then I did that on the other side too, and that piece just slipped out. And then I pulled the entire hanger unit off, and then I put everything back together. This will be the first time starting the car. Sounds pretty quiet. Sounds stock. There's a cop that just passed by, so I'm not going to rev it too high. Today I'm here at Exhaust Works in Belmont to weld my exhaust.
I know what you mean on like there's some guys rolling in these very low displacement 1,000 horsepower cars.